Good morning, everyone. So now, yesterday, can you hear me? We discussed about types of variables. Clear my voice? Yeah. So yesterday, we had a discussion about the types of variables. So how many types of variables are there in the Java and Python or any programming language? 3 types of variables are there. Just 5 minutes yesterday class we discussed instance variables. Second one, static variables. Third one, local variables. So instance variables are nothing but the value of the variable changes from object to object, object to object. Then I can go for instance variable. That's why this is also called as a object level variables. Yesterday I'm given one small example also. Student class. Whenever in the student class, if I'm creating number of students, student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, like that. Every student number name should be changes. Then student number name should be, I can make it as a instance variables. Instance variable. Whereas in case of the college name of each student is the same. So that is the reason I can make it a static. Static variable means only one copy shared to all objects. That is a class level variables. Local means within the method. We are not discussed. I will tell this one because present we don't know about the method. Method level variables. So yesterday already I'm given the different examples also. 1 second, Eclipse is opening. Yes, this is our batch. So these 3 types yesterday we discussed: instance variable, static variable, local variable. Instance also called as object level because of per object the value of the variable will be changes. That's why it is instance. Static means only one copy shared to all objects. Local means within the one method we can declare for temporary purpose, that is called as a local variable. Now fine, up to here just we finished yesterday maybe. Now where is the Eclipse? Still it is opening. Yesterday one concept explained, sir. Sir, Eclipse is opening. Meanwhile, yesterday constructor. Now we will see method also. In the interview room, they will ask what is the difference between method and constructor. Sir, constructor yesterday we have seen. What is the use of the constructor? To initialize the instance variables, we can go for the constructor concept. So first of all, what is a method? Once we will see the method, then I will give the differences between the constructor and method. Interview room, very important question. Difference between method and constructor. First of all, what is a method? Suppose that is it. Eclipse opened. So yesterday we created a package and we created a class main. Main is also one method, sir. But main method is not user defined method. By default in the Java, main method is available there. So suppose observe in the main method I am written one code system.out.println. I welcome to Selenium classes. One code I am written. Now, so what is a method means? A group of statements is nothing but a method or function which is accountable for a specific action. So observe, simple method is nothing but a block of code. Sir, these 5 lines of code is there. 1, 2, 3. Observe, there are 3, 4, 5 lines of code is there. Every time these 5 lines are I want to reuse, then I can make it as a one block with curly braces. And I want to give one name. That is called as a method. So what is a method? A group of statements is nothing but a method or maybe one function. It is accountable for specific action because these all 5 statements are, suppose adding up the 2 numbers, multiplication of 2 numbers. So say specific functionality, that is called as a method. So what is the method? A group of statements are nothing but a method only. Okay, now see, I will use the definition. Group of statements is nothing but a method. Or function also, which is accountable for specific action. So what is the purpose of method? Reusability. Methods are reusable. One time you can create method, any number of times you can call. Any number of times. That's why you can go for the method concept. We can call method anywhere, within the class, outside the class also. Sir, but method name should be unique. And 2 methods does not give same name. Method names are unique. Duplicate names does not allow, sir. And one method name, suppose here I am given method name M1. Second method also, if you want to give M1, JVM will give left and right. So method names are compulsory unique. We can call methods anywhere. We can call method anywhere. From the class. We can call a method within the method also. Means one method you can call into another method also. And methods are 2 types again. One is static, second one is non-static. Now with practical program we will see. Okay, so first what I'm telling, a group of statements are nothing but a method or function which is accountable for a specific action, that is called as a method. So in my program, observe carefully. Sir, I am not writing within the main method. Within the class, I am declaring a method. Sir, public is the access modifier. There are 3 access modifiers are there: public, private, protected. Sir, public means these are used anywhere in the project. Entire project, any package, anywhere you can use. Sir, what is the meaning of the void? If the method does not return anything, then it is called as a void. Suppose if a method returning any value, then we can write that return type. That is also later on we will see what is the return types and all those. Sir, what is my method name? Sir, method name should be any name but unique name. What do you want to give method name? Test. Test is my method name. So inside the block you can write any number of lines. What we have to write? System.out.println. One second. Any statements you can write, that is your wish. No, anything you can write. System.out.println. hi system.out.println. So actually in that we can write some code, but I'm writing only these statements by enough. So now what is a tester? Test is a method name. Is it a static method or non-static? Non-static, because here I'm not using any static keyword. So 2 lines, I can make it as a one method. So now my concept is, suppose see, method name unique means tomorrow if you want to create any method, your wish you can create public void. If you can use test, it will use left and right. Why? Just now I'm telling the method names are unique. Instead of test, you can use test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. See, duplicate method test is type sample. If you can remove this, it will go left and right. Place the cursor. Duplicate method. So methods should be unique compulsory. If you want to use the same name, that is also possible, but that concept is called as a overloading concept is there. So present method names are any name, not only test. I can give my method name as a dog. Yes, my method name is a cat, rat, my name, your name, any name. Any name you can use method names, no problem. Method should be unique name. So now, if you run the program, sir, JVM will run only main method and observe. Sir, now am I getting high and by? If you run this program, sir, what is the outputs I will get? Anyone tell? What the output I will get? Am I getting high and by? This is the program. If I run this, what is the output I will get? Am I getting high and by or not? Oh, Bo is telling high and by you will get. Samyukta, no. Bo, high and by, no. But what about this? Sir, if I run the program, observe carefully. In the output, I will get only hi, welcome to Selenium classes only. If you have any doubt, run this. How to run? Right click on the program, run as, yes, only hi, welcome to Selenium only will get. I'm not doing anything, observe carefully. What is the output I'm getting? Hi, welcome to Selenium classes, because JVM will execute only the main method only. If you want to run that one, you have to call test method into here. Compulsory, you can call the method. Methods automatically it won't execute. How to call the method? I want to create object to your class. So how to create object? By using new. So creation of object new, class name with parenthesis. So what is our class name? Sample is our class name. Object is created. One variable I want to give reference variable. What is the type? Class name, sample. Now with the help of s dot observe, it is coming. Sir, whenever I'm giving, all suggestions will come. Don't bother about. Test is a method. The return type is void. What is the class name? Sample is the class name. Yes, sir. Samyukta. Because of we are not calling the method, that's the only main method is executing. So how to call the method? Compulsory, you have to create object. So yesterday I'm telling this is so double slash means comment in the Java. It is creation of object. How to create object? Class name with parenthesis, new keyword. S is reference variable. Sample is the class. Now you can see if you have any doubt, you can call that s dot test. Automatically will come. Now save this, run it. So first hi welcome to Selenium classes. Next method will also execute hi and bye. Sir, getting it concept? Everyone getting it? What I'm telling? So method name, any name you can give, but compulsory you can call that method into the main method. How to call? With the help of the reference variable. And we are creating the object. Now, I am telling you can call anywhere methods, method within the method. Suppose observe. Tomorrow I have one more method, public void test1. So in this, if you want to call test, yes, that is also possible. So I am calling method within the methods also. Now you can call the test1 here. S dot test. See, two methods are test. So first to observe, whenever I can run, main method will execute. First this statement will execute. Object will be created. S dot test. It will go to the cursor here. These two executed. Test1. Cursor will goes to the test1. I am calling the test. Again cursor will goes to here. So you can call method anywhere within the class, within a method anywhere. If you run this, see first hi welcome to hi bye hi bye. Sir, clear everyone? Everyone clear concept? Any doubt? Sir, every day I'm asking each and every person. If you have any doubts, you can tell. Any doubts, you can tell. I'm asking each and every person. But still, some students are behaving just like childish behavior. Today, the girl didn't came for the class. What she told to the Durgasoft yesterday, Mahesh are not asking the doubts to the classroom. Who are typing every doubt? I am reading the doubt. I am giving the clarity each and every person. And name to name, I'm asking each and every person. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt like that? I'm asking. But still, that lady behaving the childish behavior. All these are. Call to the Durgasoft. What she is telling is, Mahesh are not asking the doubts in the class. She didn't ask a single doubt also. In the chat panel, single doubt also she didn't ask yesterday. Who are asking every doubt, I am clarifying. But still every day something will happening there. What is happening in my behind, I don't know. Okay, that lady calling to Durgasoft, she is telling this type of. Sir is not telling the doubts. Sir is simply telling the classes like that. She is complaining. See, if you are not, see why? Because of everyone is paying the money. Money is very important. If you are not satisfied with my teaching, no problem for me. Okay, you can go with another trainer. No issues for me. Then you will get the difference. How Mahesh sir is telling the classes, other trainer will tell the classes. Definitely. Each and every person I am asking in the classroom. Do you have any doubt, any doubt, any doubt like that? I am asking every person. But still, she called to the Durgasoft. She is making like this. Today absent. Yesterday, single doubt also she didn't ask her. Why this childish behavior? Everyone completed graduations. Post graduations completed. What is the going with that? I am not getting. Sir, package. Package is nothing but a simple collection of classes. Package is nothing but one folder. Suppose see, SRC Core Java is one package. It contains two classes, sample and student two classes. Tomorrow one more class, one more class. Collection of classes is nothing but a package. That is nothing but a package only. Yes, collection of classes are nothing but packages. Sir, what we discussed, method. Now, what I was telling is, sir, method. See, whatever I'm telling here, theoretical part, practical, everything explained. Group of statements, methods are reusable, names are unique. Anywhere you can call the method. Now, how many types? Two types: non-static and static. Any number of packages you can create based on our requirement. That is our wish. Tomorrow, see, just I'm creating one package core Java. Tomorrow, WebDriver, TestNG, JUnit, data driven. My wish, based on my requirement, I can create any number of packages. There is no limit. Yes, based on our requirement, our wish. Package also how many classes means that is also our wish. One package contain 5 classes, one package contain 10 classes, one package contain 20 classes maybe. Okay. Sir, now what is the non-static and static? Observe here. Sir, it is a non-static method. Test is a, because I'm not using any static keyword. Sir, what is the major difference is observe carefully. If it is a non-static method, object creation is required. Observe carefully. If it is a non-static method, object creation is required. Call with the help of the prints. For suppose, if it is a static, public static void test, then object creation is not required. Remove that. Directly call the method. Because of object creation is costliest procedure. Every time memory will be allocated. Object means physical existence, na? Your memory will be full. Always you are creating objects. One fine day your memory will be full. We have to destroy the object. That's why garbage collection concept is there. So the major difference of static method, non-static method. For non-static method, object creation is required. Observe, I'm getting same output. Hi, welcome to Selenium classes. Hi and bye I will get. What is the difference? One is object is not required, second one is object is required. That is that. So now I am telling the method and yesterday I am telling the constructor. Now please anyone tell what is the difference between the constructor and the method? Sir, important in the interview room. Definitely. Now based on your knowledge you can tell minimum 1 or 2 differences. Up to now I explained about the method. Yesterday I explained about the constructor. So now what you are getting concept you can tell 1 or 2 differences enough. I will tell all. Minimum you can tell 1 or 2 differences. Difference between constructor and method. Very good, correct. Yes. Very good. Nice. Everyone telling same thing only. Yes, that is correct. Very good. Excellent. Yes, everyone telling one difference, everyone getting it. That is everyone telling same. Constructor name should be the class name. Method name should be any name. Yes, constructor can initialize. Yes, very good. Not initialize object Samhita. We can initialize instance variables. We are not initializing object. Oh, no. We are initializing instance variables. Yes. Yes, sir. Maximum everyone telling correct only. But each person telling one different differences. Okay. Combine all those, then you will get all the differences. Sir, first difference. Should be class name. Everyone telling this difference because yesterday can created constructor. See, what is the constructor name? Student. What is the student? Class name compulsory. Yes. Next, here come to the first difference. Method name should be anything. Just now I'm given a dog, cat, rat, like that. So constructor name should be the class name. Method name should be anything, any name. Your name you can give. My name you can give. I can give dog, rat, cat, test, sample, anything. Up to here, done. So now, sir, constructor. Can I call the constructor? No need to call the constructor. Whenever object is created, constructor will executed automatically. Yes, you don't need to call the constructor, sir. For every object, whenever object is created, automatically constructor will be executed there. So you don't bother about the constructor, but method compulsory you have to call. Previously I created method, but whenever I am calling, then only it is coming. Sir, 1 second. So constructor automatically executed whenever object is created. The second difference. Constructor will be executed automatically at the time of object creation. Yes or no? When object created, then only construct will be executed. But what about method? Method will be executed if we call that method. Then only it will be executed, sir. See the difference, sir. Sir, method, sorry, constructor, I'm not calling anywhere. Whenever I created object, automatically construct executed. Whenever I'm creating object, construct will be executed. If 10 objects are there, 10 times construct will execute. But see here method, I am calling the method within the main method. So constructor automatically will be executed whenever at the time of object creation. Method will be executed if we call that method. So now, for object, construct will execute only once, but for a method will be executed any number of times. Sir, observe here, I can call any number of times. Suppose if it is a non-static method, how I am calling? By creating object. Yes or no? Yes. How to create object? New student sample. So yes, what is the type? So s dot test. For object, you can call any number of times. S dot test, 10 times you can call, no problem. But constructor will be executed only once per a object. Whenever object created, only one time. Object created, one time. Object created. So any number of times you can create object, only once it will execute. So observe. For object, constructor will be executed only once. Here, for object, method can be called any number of times. See here itself only. Sir, for yes, I am calling method 2 times. Tomorrow, if you want to call again, you can call 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. But come to the constructor concept. For object, only once. For object, only once. For object. So that is the difference. That is the fourth difference, last one. What is the purpose of constructor? We have to declare instance variables. So inside constructor, we initialize instance variables. But what we can write in the method? Inside method, we have to declare business logic, because your own logic based on your needs you can creating one method, but constructor compulsory to declare instance variable. So you can tell these four differences, definitely interviewer will be satisfied. Yes, damn sure. So everyone clear? Constructor and method. Actually, everyone knows about all these, but a little bit of some small confusions only. This is the major and differences between the four. So first constructor name should be the class name. Method name should be any name you can give. Constructor will be executed automatically when at the time of creation of object only. Method will be executed when if you can call the method, then only it will execute. For object, constructor will execute only once. For object, method can be any number of times it will execute. Inside constructor, we can initialize instance variables. Inside method, we have to declare the business logic. So you can take one snapshot because of in the my material also I'm not written the complete differences. Just I'm telling constructor and method only, sir. Yes, I will share my material, but in that material I'm not giving these clear differences. That's why you can take one snapshot. Just you can press the Windows screen or something. You can take one screenshot this one. In the chat panel, if I'm telling also like this, it won't come. Okay, take this one. In the material, this is are available. All this concept is available material, but the differences I forgot. That's why it's not there in that one. Okay, take these four differences. Sir, now clear everyone? Prabhu, Gayatri, everyone. Today some new person came, Radha. Okay. Sir, now. Okay, done. Sir, before going to the next session, in the method, a small concept is there. That concept we are regularly using at the time of in WebDriver programs. Very important concept in the WebDriver program, in Python programs or Selenium program, anywhere, Java also. What is a parameterization? Every time it is very useful concept in our programs. So generally, what is a parameter? Maximum everyone knows about that parameter concept. Parameter means a value of data type. Be observe. Programmatically, I will explain. Next, we will come to the theory. Sir, here observe very carefully. 1 second. I am deleting all these. Object is okay. Sir, method is okay. Sir, 1 second. Please wait 2 minutes. Please wait. I will be back 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, guys. Now, sir, here observe carefully. Sir, test is a method. Sir, inside system.print, anything you can write, sir. This is just printing only. Anything you can write, okay? Sir, what I was doing is, I am telling here, hi, welcome to Selenium. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Now, sir, second statement, small change. Hi, welcome to Java. Hi, welcome to Python. Hi, welcome to Sunny. Hi, welcome to Bunny. So now if I save, so nothing complicated. Just a test content 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 system.out.println. I am calling that method. So I will get the output. Nothing program observe. Yes. Hi, welcome to Selenium, welcome to Java, welcome to Python, welcome to Sunny, Bunny. I am getting. My requirement is, sir, within the test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements are there. Why you are writing 5 statements? I want to reduce the number of lines in the method. Then what is the concept is there means parameterization. So next to WebDriver, maximum I'm writing parameterization concepts only, because parameter means a value of data type. We can pass parameters to the method from the main method is nothing but a parameterization. Parameter means just a value of data type. Means the value may be integer, the value may be string, the value may be float, any value. So what I was doing is, we can pass a parameter to the method from the main method is known as a parameterization. What it is, observe here carefully. Come to programming. Sir, why I am doing like this nonsense? These 5 times, every time. Welcome to the common. Next one string changes. What it is? Selenium, Java, Python. Okay, remove this nonsense. So what I am telling, each in the method I can declare one value, one data type. So what I am passing string. So string str. So str is a variable. What is the type? String type. Because what I am passing? Yes. Hi, welcome to. So what is the meaning of the plus? Concatenation two strings in the Java. So where you can pass the str, observe. Whenever you can call the method observe, s.test, observe. Test is a method. Return type is void. Which class available? Sample class. Internally, what it is asking? Whenever you can call the method, you have to must and should pass one parameter. That type is string type. Then what will happen? Observe. String means compulsory. Double quotes you can use. I am given Selenium. Then how it is running? Observe. Sir, whenever call the method, Selenium will be goes to here. The variable which is accepted from main method to method. Hi, welcome to plus what is the string? This string. What I'm passing? Selenium will come in here. What is the type of str? String type. That's when the double quotes I am passing. Now again observe. I am calling one more time. Yes, dot test. Str is required. String double quotes. I am given as a Java. Now what happened this time? Now observe how execution will be done. Now Java will be goes to the str and this str will come into the here. Sir, clear? So main method to method I am passing value. Instead of writing 5 times, just you can call every time you can change your value. S.test. I want to give Sunny. S.test. I will give Bunny. Now run this. Same output I will get. Sir, this parameterization very most important concept, sir. Because in the testing, if you want to log in, sir, I want to log in. Sir, see, same concepts applicable into our testing side also. Sir, whenever I want to log in, username, password is required. The username, password, sir, maybe tomorrow I'm given 10 usernames and password every time. First time username, password, admin and admin. Second time, user and user. Third time, dog and dog. Fourth time, cat and cat, like that. 10 data I'm given. Logic is one logic only to log in the data. But every time different values I'm passing. That is also called as a parameterization concept. Very most important concept. So we can pass a value from where I'm passing. Main method to the method. Observe, sir, whenever you can run program, first method won't execute. Java will run from the line number 11. JVM will go to first main method. So line number 11 will be executed fast. Means object is created. Next line number 12, Selenium will be passed. Next Java will be passed. Sunny will be passed. Bunny will be passed. So value I am passing to that one. That is called as a parameterization concept, sir. So these basics are enough for the sum of the programs. Types of variables, constructor, method, parameterization, and the differences between the constructor and the method. Now, sir, one more very important concept that now time is not sufficient. I will give base introduction only, sir, because these concepts are very important, sir. What is the interface, abstract class, concrete class? If you're getting clarity about this, WebDriver is very simple. This concept very important, sir. Sir, first of all, what is interface? What is the class? Because observe, sir, if you want anything, see here, I will tell that WebDriver. What is the WebDriver? WebDriver is a one interface. Immediately will getting on in your mind, sir, what is a WebDriver? How to know all those things means, sir, go to the Google. Okay, sir, you can type Selenium. Sir, I will tell each and every story. Just today, you can concentrate all these things. API documentation. Go to this one. Then observe Selenium dev. No API doc. Selenium docs. Sir, 1 second. Selenium Java API documentation. API doc. No, this one, not this one. Selenium. 1 second. Sir, go to the first link only. Yes. Sir, observe. Gayatri, just now you're asking, here you will get full clarity. First packages will come. Package contain classes. Classes contains methods and variables. 3 frames are there. Here, observe 3 frames. Sir, this is the first frame. This is the second frame. This is the third frame. Yes or no? First frame is packages. Package contains classes. And here it contains methods. Those declaration will be available in the third frame. So 1, 2, 3 parts are there. Now, observe carefully. Sir, package means in that in my program I created core Java, Gir Java. Na? Sir, real time we never created like this core Java, WebDriver, this nonsense. No, sir. There are some standards are there. Those things I will tell the time of real time, because tomorrow if you want to provide fake experience also, in the company they're asking create one package means some guys are simply they're creating pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Immediately they can identify you are not a real time employee, you are a fake experience. Observe here, package how they are created. First, always package name should be com.thoughtworks.selenium. What is the meaning means? Sir, com is their domain name. Thoughtworks means their company. Selenium is the project. Suppose tomorrow if I'm asking create one package means how you can creating means what is your organization domain name? Maybe com dot. What is my organization name? Durgasoft. What is my project? Selenium. Like that I can create package. First domain name will come. So suppose my organization domain is org. Oh, no problem. Org dot Durga dot. Suppose it is a Selenium project. Selenium, like that you can create. So some standards we are following. See here standards, how they are given, sir. See here, org, OpenQA, Selenium. Org is their domain name. OpenQA, the team name, company name. Selenium is the project. So like that, you can see any package, observe, like that only. So package contains number of classes. So in your WebDriver, all coming to observe this one, org.openqa.selenium. Click in this. It will open all interfaces and classes. Sir, where is WebDriver? Yes, WebDriver. Sir, see in the second panel, you can see here only interfaces and classes. Sir, what is the WebDriver? Sir, you can ask anyone. Sir, who are completed Selenium or any person? Simple question you can ask. What is a WebDriver? You can ask. Or else other students also. Maybe your friends who are completed Selenium in other organization. Simple question you can ask. What is a WebDriver? If anybody asking to you, what is a WebDriver? Simple. You can tell only one answer, one line answer. What it is? Yes, what it is? Ayyo. What is a WebDriver? Here, there now. Interface. Yes, enough. Single word answer. No need to worry, no need to bother. If anybody asking proof, open this. Are Babu, see, this is the package. In the package, what is the WebDriver? Interface. Now immediately they will ask, oh, here class is there, interface is there. What is the difference between interface and class? First question they will ask, because of, sir, for classes, object creation is possible. Just now I created. A class contains methods and variables. If you want to call that methods, you can create object and you can call. But WebDriver is an interface. Interface object creation is not possible. That's why first in your mind, first question, what is an interface? org.openqa.selenium package. So what is an interface in your mind? And second question is, object creation is not possible. Sir, why? I will tell, wait. Object creation is not possible. Then interface contains some methods. Then how can I call those methods? If a class contains methods, means I can call that method with the help of the observer. In the program, sir, sample contains test. I am calling the test with the help of the object creation. But interface contains a method. Object creation is not possible. Then how can I call the methods? That is the bigger doubt. See here in the documentation, sir, what is the package name? org.openqa.selenium. Under this package, WebDriver interface, click on this. Right side, third panel, all changes. So WebDriver is one interface. It is available this package. WebDriver contains 13 commands only. If you perfect these 13 commands, your job will completed. See, whatever the commands are: close, find element, find elements, get current URL, get page source, title, window handles, manage, navigate, quit, switch to. Enough. Only 13 commands are there in our WebDriver. If you know about 13 commands, you can play with the WebDriver, sir. Enough. See here, I am telling now, first panel, first window, packages. Sir, what is the package? Sir, again, whenever I'm starting the program, I will discuss this. Just today, I'm giving only basic introduction only. This is the package. This package contains this one. So, where is WebDriver? So, second panel is the, one second. Second panel, WebDriver. What is a WebDriver, sir? It is one interface. Next, third panel. Whatever the commands are there, only this is the third panel. 13 methods in WebDriver. The problem is For the interfaces, objectation is not possible. Then how can I call this method? That is only the concept here. So if WebDriver, if the WebDriver is a class, means I can create object, I can call the methods. But unfortunately, WebDriver is interface. Immediately in your mind, sir, what is the interface? Why we are not creating object? For that reason, okay. Yeah, small case only, package name. Class name, starting letter should be the capital. Package names all should be small only, Gayatri. Class name, starting letter compulsory capital only. And now, next class, I will give full clarity tomorrow. Interface versus, this is very important, abstract class versus concrete class. Then Monday onwards, I will go to the WebDriver. So simple WebDriver, 13 commands, 8 locators are there. If you know about all this, you can play with the WebDriver. Yes, guarantee. So who are missing today class? Tomorrow, whatever I'm telling, compulsory it will be blah 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 only. Definitely. Yeah, Samyukta, please tell. Yes, what is your doubt? Tell, no problem. Sir, in external tool configuration, compulsory we have to give argument. Yes, compulsory. At the time of running RC programs, that is mandatory. For WebDriver, no need to require Samyukta. Argument compulsory.
Sir.
What is the argument? Hyphen jar. That jar file name na blah 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 Selenium server standard dot jar compulsory.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not getting exact jar file. .jar extension.
In that site it is there na. Oh.
Sir, already I have downloaded.
Wait. Extension means maybe in your machine you are disabled extensions. That is the problem. See, observe. 1 second. D drive. What is your doubt is in the library. So it is not showing jar in your machine, yes?
Yes, sir.
That is in your
but
system.
In properties, already it is a .jar file.
You can enable that jar, these extensions in your machine. That is somewhere option is there, Samyukta. In your machine setting problems, 1 second. Where it is available, how enable means. Properties history in organize. In your machine, you have to enable extensions, then automatically it will come. 1 second. That is system setting only, Samyukta. It is not a problem. I will tell that how to manage. 1 second, 1 second. I will give that. Here, see, Samyukta, here file, home, share view is there na here, top.
Okay.
Go to the view. Okay. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second, 1 second. It is going to the view. Yes. In the view options is there? Options. This one, options. Go to the options. Here, go to the view again. See, you are selected this checkbox. See, if I'm selecting this checkbox, hide extensions, known files. If I'm apply, my extensions also will go on. Is there any extensions there?
No.
So just you can unselect the checkbox. Go to the view, unselect, apply. Okay, then extensions will come.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have given first time I have created the external configuration, it executed, but now it's showing error, sir. JVM machine cannot be created.
JVM machine navigate means something problem in that argument only. Yeah, Gayatri,
Sir,
maybe in your machine, 1 second, Shalini. Maybe in your machine you can check JRE Java SE 1.9 is there in that. Yes. At the time of creation of project, JRE system there is Java SE 1.9 something is there. Okay. You can right click on here. Go to the build path. Maybe my guessing is configure build path, Gayatri. You can do with me parallelly. Change this JRE system library. This one. In your machine, it is showing in the day Java SE9 something is there. Yes or no? If you are not changing here, simple, 1 second. At the time of creation of project also it is possible. Go to the file, new. Gayatri, are you there? Go to the project. Go to the Java project. Here also you can change, Gayatri, here you can change the version. You can select Java SE 1.8, Gayatri, you can select this one.
Okay.
Then the problem will resolve. Try it.
Okay, sir.
Still if you are getting error, tell me. Here you can change environment, execution environment you can change. In your machine, I saw that one, you are selected Java SE 9. So please select 1.8 enough. Your problem will be resolved. Next. Yeah, Shalini, tell.
Sir, in external configuration, I have given the bin directory path and argument and library, but it is showing error, sir.
Which error it is showing?
Cannot create Java virtual machine.
Are you given all these? Observe. Cannot create Java virtual machine means two mistakes. Maybe here you are not giving the space. That is the one mistake. Maybe another one you are
Okay.
missing the dodger. Only those two mistakes only. Then only Java virtual machine not created. Soumya, you are also telling same error. Soumya, are you
Same
there?
error. Sir,
Yeah. That
initially I
means
created it.
observe.
It was Warabik,
Observe.
sir.
Observe. 1 second. Sir, I am missing the space here. See, in my machine also I will get same error. Observe. If I can apply, run. See which error I am getting here. Could
This
not
error
create a
only.
Java. That is the problem. You are missing the space. That is only. See, in my machine also, sir. If I am given perfect, then only it will come. In my machine also will get same errors. Observe. This is the one error. Second error is some guys are given the space properly. Fine. Observe. I am given space, but I am not given the jar. Then also problem. Observe. Apply. Run. Another type of error I will get. Unable to access the jar. These two errors will get students definitely. That's every time I'm telling space mandatory, extension mandatory. That is only problem here. These are all the small problems only. Okay, you don't bother about these simple mistakes and all those. Then apply, run. Definitely it will run 4444. Happily it is running. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Sir, that is your today's session. Tomorrow I will tell interface, abstract class and concrete class. Sir, this is I'm telling last time today. Okay, if you have any doubts, anything, you can ask me, no problem. I will tell. Every day I'm asking name to name also. But don't like behave a childish. Yeah, seriously, I'm telling. Today that person absent. Otherwise, today definitely I will tell. Because every day I'm asking each and every person name to name. I'm asking, are you getting the concept? Do you have any doubts? Everything like that. Configuration is a simple thing only, small thing only. This configuration. Am I started any web development programs? No, this did not started. Already all the students are maximum completed configuration. Just 1 or 2 persons only they are getting some problem only. But even the small issues also they are making big issue. It is not good because we are not kids. We are not studying the schools. Always complaining to the teacher. That is. We are all the professionals. Graduations completed every person. For every problem there is a solution is there. I will resolve it. Everything I will resolve. But why they are doing like that, I don't know. What is the intention? What is their mind?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I
Yeah.
have given space also. Then also it is showing error, sir.
Which error coming again?
Again the same error. Could not create Java virtual machine.
If you are getting that error means observe all these are correct. java.exe, this one library, everything is correct. All these are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. C program files, Java, JRE 1.8, bin java.exe. Yes, sir.
D library.
D li-
D library means in your machine, D library jar file is available.
yes, sir. Jar file is available.
Okay, no problem. If the JVM is not created, means actually observe. This is for to run the RC programs only, no problem. Once I will let WebDriver program, if still it is not running, I will tell that problem, no problem. For the WebDriver,
It
all these
came,
are not. Yeah.
one time I done the configuration, but second time when I was doing why the error is coming, I don't know.
Some small mistakes you did, that's why. Because first time it is running now. Just now I'm missing the observe here you given hyphen or underscore. That is you can check.
Hyphen only given, sir. Hyphen.
Before hyphen any spaces are there. Don't give any spaces.
Yes, space is there, sir.
Before hyphen no space. After jar one space. Selenium hyphen server hyphen sir. Here also small hyphens dots. If anything is missing, also will get error. Here no space. Here also no space.
Okay.
Otherwise you can enter your double quotes. Then you can try. You can use double quotes also. Sometimes some machines are it is not considering, then you can use double quotes like that also. Okay, done, completed.
Driver class could not found open org.qa. Selenium server is up and running. Now it's coming, sir.
Coming
Sir,
okay,
run
done.
once again your configuration, sir.
I already done na. See. 1 second. Where is the console? In the console it is coming. See 4444. Like
Sir,
that it
now
will
came, sir. Now came, sir. Actually, the
okay.
problem is space I have given, sir. Before hyphen
Where?
jar,
Oh,
before
okay,
hyphen
okay.
jar, I have given space, so that's why it was now not coming. Now it's came.
That is I'm telling you, just to check the spaces and those things only enough. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Gayatri,
you,
you can
sir.
also try with that one. If still any problem, I will resolve. Just you can give 1.8 SE, then automatically your problems also will resolve, Gayatri.
Yes, sir. It's done now.
It's coming?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. So tomorrow we will see interface versus abstract class versus concrete class. Sir, tomorrow also if you are missing, Monday onwards you are not getting anything, seriously. Because every concept is here only. Interface, abstract class, concrete class. Sir, once you strong in this area, Babu, differences are very important at the time of interview. In the today class interview question, the difference between constructor and method. So take all these 4 differences because in the material differences are not there. Remember these 4. Tomorrow definitely. First I will ask this question only. What is the difference between method and constructor?
Sir, send this video to the mail.
Yeah, definitely. I'm converting.
Till today.
Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Enjoy.
Okay, sir.